PHOEBE Dynevor stole the show at Louis Vuitton Paris Fashion Week Bash, despite not taking to the runway herself. The Bridgerton actress, 26, took a break from filming the Netflix series in which she plays Daphne Bridgerton, to dazzle in a metallic high-waisted skirt and matching bra combo. She wore her hair in a short light brown bob, slicked over to one side. Phoebe, the daughter of Coronation Street's Sally Dynevor, 58, mingled with other famous mother-daughter pairs at the bash, including actress Demi Moore, 58, and her Hollywood daughter Scout Willis, 30.